Good evening, children. In the continuation of first chapter, we will see problem number 4 now. Question number 4. If A and B are two sets, so that n of B difference A is equal to 2 times n of A difference B is equal to 4 times n of A intersection B, and if n of A union B is equal to 14, find n of P of A. This is the question. Again I repeat, what are the things given to us? A and B are two sets. N of B difference A, what is the meaning? Number of elements present in B difference A is equal to 2 times number of elements present in A difference B is equal to 4 times number of elements present in A intersection B if these three are equal. And if N of A union B, number of elements in A union B is equal to 14, find N of P of A. This is the question. I think you will understand the question. This line is given to us, right? This condition is given to us. These three are equal, and another value also is given. N of A union B is equal to 14. We have to find what is N of P of A. So for which we will start with this. That is, this is the condition given to us. These three are equal. This is the condition given. These three are equal. Now what I am going to take is this N of A intersection B, we will take as K. This N of A intersection B, we are going to take as what? K. So what happens for the first line? If you see N of B given A, that is N of B given A is equal to 2 N of A difference B is equal to 4K. How this comes? Because N of A intersection B means I have taken that as K. So in place you just substitute here K, becomes 4K. This line comes from this. So I think you will understand this. This is nothing but this line. In place of N of A intersection B, I have substituted K here. Okay. Now we will see. Now these three are equal, right? This and 4K are equal. So what is the meaning? Now I can say N of B minus A or B difference A is equal to 4K. Even I can say 2 times N of A difference B is also equal to 4K, right? Since these three are equal, take first and third are equal, second and third are equal. Now cancel this 2 and 4 so that it becomes 2K. Now I got two values. Now N of B minus A is equal to 4K. N of A minus B is 2K. Now I am going to apply this formula. N of A union, we know that I have written, but I am going to explain how it is. N of A union B can be written as N of A difference B plus N of B difference A plus N of A intersection B. You just see this diagram. A union B means you know very well. I have to shade the entire two circles, right? A union B means I should shade all this entire circles. That is, even I should, if this is the circle A and this is the circle B, I should shade fully, which is called what? A union B. So this A union B can be splitted as A difference B, that is first region. First region means only this, plus N of B difference A, that is second region, plus N of A intersection B, third part. So what we are doing, this whole thing A union B is written as three things, that is first region, second region, then third region, which is nothing but A union B. I hope you will understand this. See the diagram. N of A union B. A union B means fully. How we are splitting that A union B as three parts. First part, second part, and the intersection part. So A difference B means first part. B difference A means the second part. A intersection B means third part. So this is the formula. Explanation I have given in the diagram. See the diagram. Okay. Now N of A union B. See the question. N of A union B means 14. So 14 I have substituted here. N of A difference B. What is N of A difference B? 2K. So 2K is present here. n of b given a, the answer is present here 4k, so substitute that 4k here. N of a intersection b, where it is n of a intersection b, we have taken that as k. N of a intersection b means k, right? So in this formula, what we are doing, we are substituting the values that we have known. N of a union b is 14, which is given in the question. N of a difference b, where we have taken it 2k, substitute that. N of b difference a 4k, substitute that. N of a intersection b, N of a intersection b is nothing but k, so substitute here. If you add all these things, you will be getting 7k equal to 14, k value 2. So far we completed like this and found out k value. We did this problem like this and found out k value. What is our actual aim? Our aim is to find n of p of a. N of p of a. Can you tell the formula for it? What is n of p of a? N of p of a is equal to 2 power n of a. Okay. Now after finding k value, we are writing once again a formula which we are seeing now only. We know that I am writing, but how it is I will explain you. N of a is equal to, what is meaning of a? The first circle alone. So I am going to write this n of a as n of a difference b, that is first region, plus n of a intersection b, third region. So the first circle a is splitted and written as two parts. First part and this is second part. The second part is a intersection b, first part is a difference b. So n of a can be written like this. Why we are writing like this? Because these two values we know. N of a difference b 2k plus n of a intersection b k. So 2k plus k is 3k. 3k equal to 6. Can you tell how it is 6? Because k value is 2. Why it is 6? K value is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. K value we found out here. So since now we have got n of a is equal to 6, we can now answer this question, n of p of a. N of p of a's formula is what? 2 power n of a, which is 2 to the power of 6 equal to 64. Looks like a bit difficult, right? You should say no, sir, it is easy only. Because we will just revise it once again. This is the condition given to us. All the three are equal. The important thing is we have taken n of a intersection b as k, and it so that it becomes 4k. Now we have equated first and third, so we got one value. Second and third, 2 and 4 gets cancelled. So n of b difference a, n of a difference b, we got values in k. We are writing the formula for n of a union b. This formula we are writing using the diagram. N of a union b can be written as n of a difference b plus n of b difference a plus n of a intersection b. N of a union b value is given in the question. It is 14. So 14 is equal to n of a difference b 2k, n of b difference a 4k, n of a intersection b is k. So 7k. From that we are getting k value. So why we are doing like this? To find k value. After finding, we only started with k. We have taken n of a intersection b equal to k, and that k value we found out here. K is equal to 2. But I don't want these things. I want only n of p of a. I know formula for n of p of a is 2 power n of a. So I am interested in finding n of a. That is why I am writing this formula. N of a is equal to, again from the diagram, a means first circle is written as two parts. N of a difference b plus n of a intersection b. A difference b means this. A intersection b means this. So n of a difference b plus n of a intersection b. These two values we know. This is 2k and this is k, 3k. K value we found out here. So substituting and getting the value of n of a. Since we know n of a, we can easily find out n of p of a. Formula is 2 power n of a, 2 power 6. Answer is 64. So we will see the next sum in the next video, right?